Hmm. So my teacher told me that we're going to be writing about Halloween, and I have to generate some ideas. What kind of Halloween things might I want to write about? Hmm. Well, let me give myself a running start. I'm going to open up my writer's notebook, and I'm going to start a list, maybe with some bullets or something like that. I'll call this my Halloween idea list. I'm going to underline it so that I can keep my writer's notebook organized. See how I did that? Let's see, Halloween, Halloween, Halloween. Ah, okay. Well, I've got 3 ideas going on my Halloween idea list, and you can see with some bullet points. So I think I'm going to prioritize now and pick one of these 3 that I think could turn into a good piece of writing and move into the next step of the writing process. Choose this one.